Okay, here we go. So I'm going to mix all 3 gallons up in a 5-gallon bucket, fill this watering can, pour it out in a nice pattern, and get moving here. So this is a 2-to-1 mix. This is part B. 2 parts of A to 1 part of B. Now we're definitely wearing respirators inside because the urethane does have a high odor. So does the polyaspartics. Clear epoxy, our standard top coat, has virtually no odor. I can't say none, but it's very, very minor. So if you're looking at doing this in your basement or something like that, the standard top coat is very user-friendly, very low odor. That, if you're using indoors in a confined area, is not very offensive. This, in a confined area, can be pretty smelly. So 3-gallon mix, low speed mixer, make sure you're on low speed. And just like mixing epoxy, you want to make sure you get the edges really good. I always go in a nice circular pattern, get the edges good, go up and down along the edges. It's very important that you mix your materials properly. That would be an absolute worst nightmare if you don't. So this goes down at the same rate the epoxies go down. It's 166 square feet per gallon. 1 3-gallon kit will cover 500 square feet. Now, I have to fill my water can without dumping this all over the place. Okay. Jeff also needs to wet up his roller, so I'm just going to leave a little puddle here for his roller. That should be enough for that. Yes. So Jeff's going to work on that. I'll help him do the edges. Hopefully you can hear me here. Any more along that edge, you good? Okay. This is a thin material, so it rolls really easy. So just look for puddles and stripes as you roll, and just try to keep it as consistent as possible, and work your way all the way across the floor. So now we're into our second 3-gallon batch. Again, pouring it out about every 16 inches, 4-inch wide stripes. Try to pour it consistently across the floor. Jeff's going to back roll perpendicular. I'm going to pour all the material out, and we're just going to keep working our way all the way across. Again, pay attention to 166 square feet per gallon on top of a flake floor, and you're going to be in good shape. This is our third and final 3-gallon batch. This was a 1,500 square foot floor, so we got 500 square feet per 3-gallon kit. Comes out to 166 square feet per gallon. Pouring this out again consistently as possible. Jeff is going to roll perpendicular to the way I'm pouring it, and we're going to work our way right out the door. I'm going to work the edge on the right hand side here, which I did not do yet. That's why Jeff let me finish that area first. Once the edge is done, he's going to follow me with the 18-inch roller and get it all back rolled. I gotta drop that wood. I have to drop this wood. Okay, everything's been back rolled, so now we're just going to stand back. You take a peek around, make sure you didn't miss any spots. You're kind of looking for the reflection in the light, just to make sure you didn't miss anything. That's the advantage to the spike shoes. You can walk around on the floor and not damage anything you just did. So now we're done. Everything looks okay. We're going to call it a day.
If you have any questions about our products, email me. I can help you out with any questions you have.